Hello guys, this is Ripun Hussain Chapel from WP Theme Hut. So today we will learn how we can create our first WordPress theme. So for that process we need to install WordPress. So in my previous episode I have shown you guys how you can install WordPress in your local host. If you don't see that tutorial, you can see from the playlist. And after installing WordPress in your local host, you need to log in into your dashboard, and you can see by default there is 3 themes installed, that is 2023, 2022 and 2021, that is created by WordPress. So we will create our one. So for that we need some resources here. As you can see here, we having an image, then we having the theme name here, then the version, then the author URL and the author name, then some descriptions, then some tags. So we will learn how we can do that, and also the image. For creating these things we need to go in our localhost /wp theme hut. So we have already come here, then inside the theme hut we will go WP content, then themes. Then you can see this 3 theme is installed here and one is activated. So we will create a new one for our, so we will create a new folder, then we will give the name as our theme name. So we will give it WP theme hut. So this will be our theme name. So then press enter. Then for creating a theme, 2 thing is mandatory. One is index.php and one is style.css, and after that we can set an image so everyone can see the first look of our WordPress theme, like as you can see here in this 3 theme. So what we need to do is we need to create our first file here, that is index.php, and obviously we need to change the extension here. Then we will click on yes. Then we need to create a file again, that is called style.css, then enter. Okay, then what we need to do is, for this image we need to place an image here that is called screenshot.jpg or screenshot.png. So let's cut it and paste it inside our theme. So this picture will be shown like here. We haven't write any code yet, so we need to write some code, and you have to remember that the recommendation size of screenshot.jpg is 1200 into 900. We will now open this folder here. I have already added this on my project. So we'll go on themes, then you can see WP theme hut, then you can see index.php. So in index.php we'll leave it blank right now with the PHP code, and we'll save it. And you can see the screenshot.jpg here and style.css. In style.php we need to write our theme name, our theme description, tags and all other stuff. So for doing that we will create our theme head. You can see we have just created it from here, then we'll copy it and we'll paste it here, and we will give our theme name WP theme hut. Then text domain will be the same name, WP theme hut. Okay, and the description, you can set your theme description here, and I have set the version 1.0.0 and the theme author in WP theme hut, and the author URI is www.wpthemehut.com, and the tag that will be set by sidebar, then it will be like comma, then blog theme, comma, then WP theme hut, comma, and etc etc. You can set your tags here, and the license is GPL version 2 and the license URL is this one. So now we will save our code here, and what we need to do is we need to go to our dashboard again and we'll reload our dashboard here. After that, you can see the theme name is WP Theme Hut, and if you click on theme details, then the theme name is WP Theme Hut and version is 1.0.0, and you can see by the author name that we have set it in our backend, and you can set your theme description here, and the tags is sidebar, block theme, WP Theme Hut, etc. So our first Scratch theme is ready here. So what we can do is we can activate our theme. So yeah, hooray, we have made our first WordPress theme and it is pretty cool. And obviously you will not see any kind of output from here because it is having nothing, it is purely blank. So that's how you can create your first WordPress theme.